Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Snapchat device ban. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To ensure the Snapchat application isn't causing the problem, start by opening your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. Search for Snapchat and check if there are any updates available. If there are, update the app to the latest version to rule out any issues related to outdated software. Once you've updated the app, you can close the store. Next, you need to check if a VPN might be causing the issue. Open the settings on your device, whether it's an iPhone or Android, and use the search bar to look for VPN, locate the VPN settings, and ensure that no VPN is currently turned on. VPNs can change your apparent location, which might interfere with Snapchat's functionality and potentially lead to issues with your account. Turn off the VPN if it's active to avoid such problems. If you're still facing issues, open your browser and search for Snapchat support on Google. Click on the first link to visit the official Snapchat support site. Once there, look for the option labeled "My account is compromised" and tap on it. This will take you to a screen where you need to wait for it to fully load. On this page, ensure the first option selected is "I can't access my account." Even if your account is not locked, this option covers broader access issues. If it's relevant, the second option should be "My account is locked." Scroll down to find a button that might be labeled "Account Site" or something similar. Tap on this button to proceed to a page where you can attempt to unlock your account. You might be prompted to log in. If not, just look for the "Unlock My Account" option and tap on it. Follow any additional prompts until you see a final unlock button at the bottom. Click on it and wait for the process to complete. Since my account is not banned, I can't access that option. But this should unlock your Snapchat account if it's been restricted, resolving the issue you're experiencing. This process doesn't take much time and should help you regain access to your Snapchat account. So that's basically how to fix Snapchat device ban. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.